Welcome now to 40163 Whiteleaf Lane in the city of Murrieta and experience exceptional quality and style in this completely reimagined 5-bedroom residence. As you can tell, there's sunlight pouring in all around me, vaulted ceilings, upgraded dual pane windows in this open floor plan. There's also a versatile main floor bedroom right next to a bathroom that's perfect for guests, family members, or even that main floor office. Now get a load of this gourmet kitchen, which is perfect for entertaining. You have custom cabinetry with soft close drawers, you have granite countertops with bar top seating, you have stainless steel appliances with the double oven, and you have pendant lightings with the custom hood. I mean, what's not to love? Ascend now up this beautiful staircase with custom wood and wrought iron hand railings into your master suite sanctuary. It has a balcony, not one, but 2 closets, one being an expansive walk-in, and the ensuite is adorned with marble, dual vanities, a separate soaking tub, and a standalone shower. And not to mention that all the bathrooms throughout this beautiful home have been completely renovated with custom finishes and high quality materials. The exterior is an extension of this home's lovely living space, featuring a sparkling PebbleTech pool and spa, and there's even a safety gate around the entire pool. There's also a covered patio with an awesome barbecue island and bar top counter. There's a prep sink and complete privacy with vinyl fencing. It's also great to mention that some of the critical components and systems have been modernized here in this home, including a full PEX repipe throughout the entire house and a recently replaced HVAC system. Hey, I just want to say thanks so much for checking out this exquisite new property on Whiteleaf Lane in Murrieta. If you have any questions, you like what you see here, or you want to schedule a private tour, just reach out.